lecture in LG Polytechnic Architecture Assistantship. Welcome to this video series of our subject Estimating and Costing. So today we are going to learn about rate analysis. We have different types of works in our buildings such as foundation, plinth work, wall work, plaster work, slab work, beam and column works. So today we are going to understand the rate analysis of particular cement work. So we can construct the RCC slab or beam or column with the cement concrete mortar. So first of all, we are going to use the information we have to calculate the rate analysis. So as you can see on the screen, I have already written the item of work, which is cement concrete in the ratio of 1:4:8 in foundation for 10 meter cube work. So this ratio indicates the materials, the ingredients which is used in cement concrete work. So this ratio indicates the proportion of cement, sand and aggregate, as you can see. And right now we are calculating this process for foundation work. So let's start the calculation. As you can see on the board, I have already made a table. So we require a particular table for this calculation. We're going to calculate two types of terms in the calculation of cement work. The one is materials and the second term is labors. So first we'll start with the material calculation. As you can see, we already have the proportion, the ratio of the materials, which is cement, sand and aggregate. So I'm going to add the materials as per the sequence. One is cement, the other ingredients is sand and aggregate. Also we require water to mix in this proportion, but that we will count in percentage. We're going to add sunrise. So this term indicates the accidental expenses, little expense to treat these materials. Moving ahead to the labors of the concrete work. So first we require the main mason. Which is the key person which leads the other masons and the coolies. So first we require this person having a requirement of a half day. So now I am adding the quantity of labors in another section. Next we require the mason. That will count of 1. Next we are going to require the coolies to transport the materials or to construct the mortar. So we require two types of coolies. The one is male coolie and the other is female coolie. Also we require bishtis for the waterwork of the material. Next we are going to add sunrise, the additional expenses to labors. So now we have the separation. So now we have the clear labors and the clear materials. So now we are going to calculate the final rates, final cost of construction. So right now I am adding the market rates. As you can see on the table, here are the rates and we are going to calculate the labor work according to the present market rates. So first we have main mason which charge 800 rupees per day for cement work. Next we have mason which charges 500 rupees per day. So we require 7 number of male coolies for this work and 11 number of female coolies for this kind of work. Cost of one day is 300 rupees and the female coolies cost of per day is 280 rupees. So next we have bishti which we require 2.5 persons. The rate of one bishti is 280 rupees. So now we are going to calculate this number of labors to their basic rates. They are charging this price cost per day. So I am adding this in section. Now I am going to calculate the final amount of each and every labor. So as you can see on the board, I have already mentioned the final amount by the help of market rates. Now I am adding the sunrise of that is 70 rupees. So we have final calculation. The total cost of only labor is 6850 rupees. So right now we have the one information done, the one calculation is done. Now moving ahead to the material calculation. So now it's time to use the proportion, which is 1:4:8. So we're gonna calculate the materials. The one is cement, sand, aggregate. So how this ratio gonna help us? So first we're gonna calculate the cement. This proportion is 1:4:8. So this ratio makes the total of 30. So that we know that cement is used one part of 30. So we're gonna calculate this proportion out of 30 into. So if we are calculating the foundation work or any cement work for 10 meter cube, we're gonna calculate the mortar 15.2 meter cube. So that is our standard. I'm adding this 15.2. If we're gonna calculating the work for 1 meter cube, so I'll add 1.52. So next, sand is used 4 out of 30 into 15.2. Aggregate is used 8 by 30 into 15.2. So this is a simple calculation, and now I'm going to add the final quantities. So as you can see on the board, we have the cement that is 1.7 meter cube. So we're going to find cement in bags. So I'll divide this data with 0.035, which is the standard for calculating cement bags. So I'm going to add in the answer here. So that will be 33.42. Okay, so I'm going to taking 34, the round figure for the bags that I'm going to add here. Next we have sand, which is 4.68 meter cube. The last is aggregate, which is 9.36 meter cube. Now it's time to add the market rates. One cement bag. Per bag we are paying 350 rupees. Per meter cube we are paying 1000 rupees for sand. Aggregate per meter cube we are paying 1300 rupees. Now it's time to calculate the quantity to the basic rates. So as you can see, I have already calculated the amount of cement, sand and aggregate. Also I have added the 70 rupees, which is the sand price. Now I'm going to add the total cost of material, which is 28,880 rupees. You can calculate by yourself the amount we are paying for materials, the amount we are paying for labors. Now it's time to calculate the final cost. The total cost of material and labor is 35,668 rupees. For the water, we are adding 1.5%. So 1.5% water charges, which is 535 rupees. Now I am adding the contractor's profit, which is 10%, which is out of 35,668 rupees. So that will be 35,067 rupees. So now we can find the total cost of cement work. Now the final cost is 39,770 rupees. So this will be our answer for the cement concrete work in foundation 10 meter cube. If we are using this proportion, the final cost of labors and materials is 39,770 rupees. Now I hope you find this video useful. Keep watching for the sessions. Thank you so much.